Hey there, homeowning legends. Have you ever had your R-32 3-ton air conditioner act up just when you need it the most? No worries, I've got some simple troubleshooting tips to keep you cool and comfy. First up, if your AC isn't cooling properly, it could be due to dirty air filters, low refrigerant levels, blocked condenser coils, or even incorrect thermostat settings. Check your air filter and replace it if it's clogged, then inspect the refrigerant levels with a pressure gauge. Next, if the AC is running but not blowing cold air, frozen evaporator coils might be your culprit. Turn off the AC and let those coils defrost. Also, ensure your air vents are open and clear of obstructions. Hearing weird noises from your AC? Buzzing might indicate loose wiring, and clicking could mean a faulty thermostat. Tighten any loose screws or panels and inspect the wiring, but if you hear hissing, call a pro immediately to check for refrigerant leaks. If your AC is constantly turning on and off, aka short cycling, it might be due to a dirty air filter, an oversized unit, or incorrect refrigerant levels. Replace the filter and check the thermostat location. Now, if you've got water leaking from the indoor unit, a clogged condensate drain line or improperly installed drain pan might be the issue. Flush the drain line with a vinegar water solution and ensure the unit is level. Bad odors, mold or mildew in the drain line or coils could be to blame. Clean these with an antimicrobial cleaner, and if you detect a burning smell, call an electrician. Finally, if your AC isn't responding to the thermostat, it might just need new batteries or a check on the wiring. Replace the batteries and ensure all connections are secure. Remember, some issues need a professional touch. If you detect refrigerant leaks, electrical malfunctions, or persistent short cycling, get an expert in. By following these tips, you'll keep your R-32 3-ton air conditioner running smoothly. Thanks for watching and stay cool.